on racing. And of course, today I have my friend Lawyer here. And yeah, and there's a couple of things I do want to introduce you to. So on Fridays, we will have a Friday night fun day. And we will be playing other games that are not Build a Boat. Because we would like to show y'all some other games that's currently not Build a Boat. So yeah, we're gonna go race, and yeah. We might do a role play. I don't know. Maybe, probably not. Grab you some wings in case you fall, Lawyer. Okay. No cheating. Please, no cheating. So yeah. Anyway, let's get into it. This racetrack is fun because the cars are very easy to flip. So y'all might think I'm making, bruh. Don't go yet. Line your car back up, sir. Go.
It's already started?
Yeah. We're gonna do about 100 laps, JK. We're doing like 5 laps, and then we're gonna take a break and go eat at Lawyer's Cafe.
Yes.
Get us some cake, some food, then we can race some more. And maybe, yeah, we're probably gonna do a role play.
Yes.
But whoever wins gets $1 million.
Oh no, I want those millions.
I'm winning. Yay. Hey guys. You know what? Don't tell him, but we're gonna... Guys, listen. Do not tell him, but I'm gonna cheat, okay? Okay.
Guys.
Lawyer, you didn't hear anything.
Okay. I'm already on my 3rd lap.
You're going forward and backwards. You call that? I'm a collision off this wall if I have to. Oh yeah? Oh really? I can collision off both walls, in fact.
Oh crap, we have a better time to die.
Okay, that wall's collision off. Don't go backwards. Okay.
I'm blocking the... No!
Guys, we won! Okay, now Lawyer is not gonna yet race with cars. He's gonna race with tanks. Okay? That's the fun in this, right? Right, Lawyer?
Yes.
Yes, load in your tank. Load in your tank. That was just a fake. That was just a fake play. He didn't even know it was, but I introduced it to him, so yeah.
I'm gonna go make a build up there.
No, you need to load in your tank. Tanks are fun.
I don't know how.
Get to move your tank up here, but okay.
I'm making one of the cars that don't have disabled abilities.
Let me make this wall back. Okay, that was good.
No problem.
You got to admit, Lawyer, that was funny.
Yes.
You know.
Didn't laugh.
Dum, dum, dum,
Not
dum,
funny.
dum,
Is
dum.
that?
Guys, it's all funny, right? Yeah. Hey, at least they agree.
Not funny. Yeah.
No, it's funny.
Never laugh.
Haha, okay. Line up.
I'm coming.
Are you making one of them freaking speed cars that flip all the time?
No. I don't even have 2 blades, but I'm trying to.
Metal's heavy, so you're gonna flip. You think if this car flips, you think that car's gonna flip?
No.
Okay. Guys, he might flip. You gotta pull.
Nice.
Go.
Ah! I'm just a turkey.
What did I tell you? Guys.
I only have to make why did I get...
Shh, guys, we're cheating. We're so not cheating.
I heard that.
No, you didn't. Better not go off the ramp. Holy crap. Guys, do you know?
Fall off.
No! Holy crap! Oh my god! I really didn't want to die today. The power of me! I'm still going.
Okay, let's take a
No! Bro! I almost made it back onto the track! Holy crap.
Okay, let's take a break and eat.
Okay. Should I die? I'm dying. You're paying for my funeral, lawyer. It's your fault. Well, you're dead.
No, I'm not.
You're dead. Dang it.
Yes.
Huh, guys. This is the best time right now.
This is the best cafe, guys.
We had a murder. 2 people killed each other. I don't know how it worked, but
A sea murder?
yeah, with cars. What did you think? Guys, don't let lawyer know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna rob his store.
No, you're not.
Shh.
I'm gonna
You can't hear anything. No, you can't. You can be quiet.
better not rob him.
Dabba 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 doo, dabba 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 doo, dabba 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 da. Pew 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 pew.
Turn on TV. So we could actually die if we get wrong. Okay, hello, sir. Next door.
Hi, sir. I would like to buy some cake.
Yes. Ah,
What was that?
God, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Don't kill me. I was a long loser, guys. Don't be me, okay?
Let Josh join this.
No, he's gonna mess us up.
No, he's not. I promise.
If he messes
That's
us
one
up,
more person to live.
if he messes us up, I'm gonna kill him. Not, yeah, him. What is that? Do you have a gun?
Yes.
Stop trying to shoot me, sir. I didn't do anything.
I'm gonna shoot Josh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Guys.
Don't kill me. You know what? You can try to kill me all you want now.
God damn it.
But
Okay, guys, no more robbing. We're gonna go inside now.
I quite almost just stole your food already. I mean, there's nobody. There's this. Yeah, I'm running away, guys. I'm gonna run away. You guys. Timber! Timber, guys. We just had this go down.
Whoever
Hang
wins,
on. I'm AFK.
guys, I'm gonna go without. Mother. What happened? Yo, he made the car down. I can't breathe.
I just have to do a little something.
Oh, you need to come up down here and check this out.
Who stole my cars?
Oh.
Who stole my cars? Guys, I've been robbed! What? No. The long last cars. They were old.
Come down here. I made a bike.
I'm scared. Guys, I'm super scared.
Guys, look at
I feel like if I go down there, I'm gonna be shot.
yeah, so you want to come down here, bud?
The heck are you doing to my track?
That is good. I don't know, John.
You know what?
Reese's
To
Puffs.
try.
Hey, Marshmallow. Look at me. Hey, stop.
No, I shall kill you.
Can you let him done?
Ah! No! Doesn't need to read my friend's chat.
Who's Naruto? He's asking me.
I know, and I ain't letting him join. 'Cause he ain't going. Guys, I have a long-last prisoner. Lawyer,
What?
arrest me.
Okay.
Ah.
You want to get shot?
No, I just want to be arrested. I just want to be. Fine, shoot me. Shoot me then.
Okay, turn on computer.
Just shoot me. Just shoot me. Get it over with.
Boom.
Ah. I'm a long-last loser. Just like us. No, we fight back.
Look what he said.
Bruh! I don't care. I don't care at all. You call me a cow?
No, I said it's cow.
I mean, my name used to be Cow, so. Yes. My name used to be my name used to be Moo Moo Mr. Cow. Yes. Moo 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 Mr. Cow.
Your mom used to be your name?
Yeah, apparently so.
Oh my god.
I know. This kid's crazy, guys.
He tried roasting. Anyways, that's the black.
Yo. Some people these days are just crazy. Like, why?
No more value.
Why are you so laggy? Guys, I'm gonna load in lag tank and then immediately clear
no,
it.
don't you dare!
I'm loading in that lag tank.
I'm loading in my bam hammer. My bag
Loading it in and then clearing it all. Lag.
I'm getting away from your tank as far as I can.
Tanky. Who wants to be laggy? You see, even he says, why are you so laggy? Okay, this guy, if you keep up with it, I'm going to have to report you.
Can you not see the 100 pound?
It's like the boom boom tank. We go boom boom.
Nice.
Guys, we go boom boom boom
My
boom.
bag hammer is the stage for it to lava flow.
Guys, listen to this.
The glitch.
My tank this time my tank goes boom 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 boom. So yeah, we're gonna lag the server. Oh yeah, something like that. But we're gonna kill the server without this guy ramming into me. Lawyer.
You just made my internet go to 1,000.
Lawyer, you said your friend wouldn't mess with me.
I'm going to murder you.
Tell your friend to stop messing with me, please.
You're Crane.
Let's help save Ukraine, boys. Now, lag time. Let's go. Now, lawyer.
No family.
Boom, 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 boom. Lag. Okay, freeze.
Can you seriously clear it?
Maybe. Yeah. So that's how. This is how life works, guys. I know. Flag. So your ping is 1 million when my freaking tank loads in. Lag spike. Can you tell your friend Can you tell your friend to stop trying to run into me? It's kind of annoying. Guys, say lawyer. Lawyer! Lawyer!
What?
Tell your friend to stop running into me. It's annoying.
You tell him that. He's gonna listen to me.
No, yes he will. Guys, okay. Now,
I wanna do something.
we're gonna do something a little sneaky.
Load in your tank. I wanna do something funny to it.
No. You know why I say no?
What? Joke? How did that?
Yeah, it's his hammer. His Hummer. Like his Hummer, guys.
Turn on PvP.
Guys, I'm being arrested, so, apparently again. So just hopefully everything goes good, because, you know, this guy is, like, not Thor. He would never be Thor. I swear to God. I dare you to try to kill me.
Where did you stop that?
I dare you to try to kill me. Bruh. Kill me already. Kill me. Guys, I guess I am dead, so I guess I have to end up here. Hope you all enjoyed, and yeah, bye.